I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad.
What's up, Wealth Babe? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. On this channel, we do discuss all things wealth. So if you're interested in that, please hit that subscribe button and also click the bell to turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out. And in today's video, I want to discuss REITs. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So REITs is an acronym for Real Estate Investment Trust, and it's a company that makes investments in and owns income generating real estate properties. REITs can own many types of real estate, including but not limited to office buildings, apartment buildings, shopping centers, shopping malls, self-storage spaces, hotels, hospitals, restaurants, you name it. There are many types of real estate that can belong to or owned by a REIT. So investors buy shares of the REITs, and the REITs in turn make investments into the real estate properties. Now, REITs typically earn money from rent payments on the properties or interest that accumulates on the debt of the real estate. So REITs were modeled after mutual funds. If you haven't already, check out the video on mutual funds on this channel. I will link it in the cards above and also in the description box below. So go ahead and check that out so that you can see how mutual funds work. Now with the REIT, it can also be publicly traded on the major security exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange as well as the NASDAQ, and it affords investors like you and I the ability to buy and sell these funds. Now these funds can include specific types of REITs, so there will be mortgage specific REITs. There could be commercial properties such as let's just say rentals in one specific REIT. So the REITs can include one specific type of REIT, or it can include multiple types of REITs. So refer back to the earlier portion of this video to see what types of real estate can encompass the specific real estate investment trust. Now, because these REITs manage, own, and finance these real estate properties directly, it also affords investors like you and I to do away with the hassle of doing these things directly and just putting our money towards the actual fund with the real estate so that the REITs can do the hard work. We just profit from the money that's earned against this real estate through the forms of dividends, which gets paid to us from rent payments that are made against this real estate, and again, like I said earlier, some of the interest that comes from the debt that gets accumulated from the real estate. That's it for now, Wealth Babe. Be sure to check out the video on Wednesday, which I'll dive deeper into the types of REITs that I've been eyeing. So I will be providing the specific ticker symbols for these REITs that I am interested in purchasing shares for. But also drop in the comments below if you have any REITs in your portfolios and what those REITs are, or if you're eyeing any REITs like I am. Let me know in the comments below. And as always, please remember that if you're not fully, truly, and totally committed to building wealth, then chances are you won't. Mwah.